Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to use ClickUp for scheduling. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to use ClickUp for scheduling, you just simply have to open ClickUp application at first. And now after opening the ClickUp application, this home page will appear. Now into here, you just simply have to tap into this more button at the bottom right corner, and after tapping into there, you will get to see this reminder option. Now in order to schedule something into ClickUp, just simply tap into this reminder option, and then now after tapping into that reminder option, it will give you the blank space to set a name for your reminder. Just simply type a name for your reminder and then tap to this calendar icon into here. Then simply select the date when you want to schedule some task or meetings and then click to done button. Then after that, click to create and your reminder will successfully be created into ClickUp. This way you can easily schedule into your ClickUp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.